Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Apple Watch 8 cases and protector 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The best Apple Watch cases can safeguard your investment. Sure, you enjoy wearing your Apple Watch without a case. It looks excellent and is instantly recognized as an Apple Watch, making you feel like you're a member of an exclusive club. However, if I'm going on a nature trek or doing some house painting, I usually keep a case or shell available so I can wear my Apple Watch without worry of damage. If you feel the same way, check out these Apple Watch protection cases. Make sure you're buying the right case for your device by checking the links listed below in comments and in the description. I have prepared this video guide for the best Apple Watch 8 cases and protector, so let's get started. 8 ADEPOY Ultra Thin. A more modern design, the three-dimensional right-angle edge gives this Apple Watch screen cover easy access to all controls, buttons, and sensors. Thousands of precise touch points on a high-transparency tempered glass screen protector give an authentically clear image while keeping the original touch sensibility. Without any prior knowledge, you may precisely install the protective case on your Apple Watch Series 8 or 7. It is easy to set up, launch, and charge directly. 7 MISXI case with protector. You'll likely use the MISXI polycarbonate case for Apple Watch to ensure that you have total protection that is simple to replace in the event of damage. It has a polycarbonate body with tempered glass that is inlaid over the display. Installing the Apple Watch case is quite simple, thanks to its snap-in construction. It can be put in place without removing the watch strap. You can feel the bare metal when you touch the screen protector since it responds to your touch. 6 JULK protective case. The Apple Watch Series 8 and Series 7 41mm are compatible with this casing. This watch case and screen protector are made to protect the watch's outside surfaces. Your watch is protected from dust, fingerprints, and scrapes with a soft transparent cover with an integrated screen protector. The complete protective case for the watch screen, as well as the corners and sides of the watch, is made of excellent TPU material. Please be reminded that using this product during physical activity or sports may result in moisture becoming trapped between it and the watch screen. 5. Spigen Rugged Armor. Spigen's Rugged Armor is a TPU bumper with a rugged design that adds additional protection for your smartwatch by putting a lot of material between it and the surface it collides with. The raised bezel around the screen also provides additional padding. There are 5 distinct colors for the item. In comparison to its ultra-hybrid case, Spigen's Rugged Armor case provides additional protection. Your Watch 8's bottom is partially encircled by it, yet it still supports wireless charging. Although it is simple to slip in and out of the case, you do need to remove your band in order to do so. For $7 extra, Spigen also produces the Rugged Armor Pro, which is comparable but also includes a watch band. 4 QHOHQ Hard PC case. For complete protection, snap this tempered glass screen protector and case into place. You receive 2 in a package, so you can keep or distribute the spare. There are 2 Apple Watch color options, clear or black, and 2 sizes to choose from. This case with tempered glass completely covers the front and curved corners of your watch and provides total protection against bumps and scratches thanks to its 360-degree shock and drop protection design. The screen protector case performs like your original screen and may be used while the watch is being charged. It promises touchscreen accuracy of 99.99%. 3 AILUN case. This case with a glass screen protector is made to provide your watch with outside surface protection without sacrificing functionality. Due to its snap-on design, which avoids removing the straps first, it is quite simple to install. I frequently snag my watch on objects, and these cases are the ones that end up scratched or broken while my watch continues to appear brand new. The side bumpers contribute to more comprehensive protection. I've observed that occasionally, moisture does rise up beneath the screen protector, but if that happens, it's simple to remove and reinstall. Having replacement protection is worthwhile considering the cost. 2 SUPCASE Unicorn BEETLE Pro. The Unicorn BEETLE Pro case from SUPCASE is a tough design that will safeguard your Apple Watch while allowing you full access to all of its buttons and capabilities. Its built-in watch band, which also has a tough design, will ensure that the wearable stays put while you're out on your travels. This band and case set is available in a variety of colors and fits both the Apple Watch Series 8 and the earlier models, 7, 6, 5, 4, or SE. Although the screen is unprotected, there is a nice thick lip around it to guard against damage. 1. Caseology NERO. The Caseology NERO for Apple Watch is a simple TPU sleeve that fits tightly, installs easily, and has a low-profile appearance. Users who want to protect every surface without compromising access to crucial areas like the charging back and digital crown should choose the one-piece cover. It fits quickly and firmly on your watch, protecting it from bumps, dings, and scratches on a regular basis. This single-piece cover is lightweight and flexible, consisting of shock-absorbing TPU material for long-lasting impact protection. Features include a raised front lip, full corner protection, accurate cuts, and tactile buttons with clear feedback. So guys, this was the video about the best Apple Watch 8 cases and protector. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.